Laurie Egbert here, and I'm a member of your Bright training team, and this is a client portal tip. The first time your client gets that email from you, from Bright, is an exciting time. It is the start of providing them with what could be a solution to finding their forever home. But with all this technology, there may be a learning curve, and Bright is here to help you and your client get over that curve with ease. Your clients have access to a detailed 3-minute video that walks them through all of the features that they have in their client portal. Once they enter the portal, there's a help icon at the top right. This opens a new window, and by clicking here, they'll be able to watch the full training video that introduces them to everything the client portal has to offer. You can make this even more accessible. At the end of this video, scroll down and copy the link out of the description so that you can add it to your auto email welcome messages and reoccurring messages. This means they're going to have access to that video every time they receive an email without having to go find it themselves. Use this as an opportunity to coach your clients. After they review the video, ask them if there are any features they want to utilize or learn more about. If you found this useful, like and share this video with others. Take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified of future business tips and other content on our YouTube channel. Oh, and while you're here, take a moment to watch some of our other videos. They'll make you an expert in Bright in no time.